self-tape number 19, and it is an audition for High Potential. They're currently filming season 2, so maybe this will be the first of a few High Potential auditions I do. But this is number 19, and Julie is my reader. And Julie also did this scene for self-tape.
Yes, I sure did.
Okay. Yeah, I recognize him. He came in at the beginning of my shift last night around like 7 p.m.
Is he with anyone? Oh, a sexy brunette, maybe?
Oh, I would say like medium sexy, and she was a blonde.
Really? Did it seem like business or pleasure?
Maybe both. The guy was definitely tying one on, though. He made sure to leave me a fat tip before he left.
Did you catch the name of his guest by any chance?
No, sorry, we were busy, and I couldn't really hear their conversation, but I think their name was like Candace or Janice or Gladys or I don't know.